Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's your girl PJ and I'm back with another vlog. Today I'm doing an LV bag unboxing. So before we unbox this bag, I'm going to insert a short clip showing you guys my trip to the store. I hope you enjoy. You guys, I just got to LV and I'm about to go inside. Hey guys, I'm asking for a discount for my bag. I said no discount.
Yeah, of course. No problem.
Let's see what colors comes in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How do you people cope with makeup and mask? See what's gone.
I'm going to check now.
I can pay in dollars, right?
Yes, no problem. Okay, so in US dollars, it's going to be $2,022.95. Yeah, you can just pay $2,030 and we will give you the money back by in pounds.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'll give you 2,100.
Yeah, 2,000. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah.
And I will give you the change. Thank you.
It's great, PJ. It's beautiful. I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
So give me a minute. I'm gonna give you my car. So next time if you come in London,
I want you to set exactly.
Yeah, you come straight to me.
Okay. Welcome back, guys. So now that you've seen my trip, let's unbox the bag. So guys, the bag comes in this packaging. Okay, so I must give it to LV. They know how to do all the ceremony when it comes to packaging, like make you feel like you're unboxing one very expensive thing. Anyway, it's expensive. Okay, so the first thing that you find is the receipt. That's the bag. Inside there, it's in another duffel bag. Yeah, and this is a protective case for the leather, so every time you use your bag or your shoe or whatever it is you buy from them, it's always better to put it back in the case and put it back in the box. It'll help preserve it longer. Okay, so now let's open. Guys, this is it. Okay, so before we see what's inside or what comes inside this bag, I'm just going to give you guys a short story. So I got this NEO Alma BB bag from the Louis Vuitton store on Bond Street. I got it for £1,570, and the reason I got this black colored monogram and print leather is because it's quite expensive. When it comes to buying bags and shoes, I prefer to buy black color so I can rock it with any other color and it will flash. Plus, I am not a huge fan of the brown monogram leather. I wouldn't even lie, because that's what I see with almost everyone, even the fake, the original, it comes in that leather, so you never really know which is which. So I prefer to just have something different, so that's why I got it. So this particular bag and color, I think this design actually was the last one at the store on Bond Street. I don't know about the other stores or if they've actually restocked it on Bond Street, but yeah, it was the last one. I was actually lucky. I went into the store wanting to buy another bag, another black bag. Yeah, I'll show you. And unfortunately it was out of stock, and then I asked them to see other bags that he had, other small bags, and when I saw this one I fell in love with it. Like, I didn't want to let go. It was just perfect for me. I love bags like this. Now let's talk about what is inside the bag. It's nothing special, I'll show you. So the bag comes a long handle, and it also comes with this mini purse to hold the key. The bag has a key, so it comes with the key purse. You might be wondering, yeah, that one. And the fun part of this buy, like the part that I really enjoyed, is the fact that I got them to engrave it with my initials. See, PJ, PNJ on that. I love the leather. It's rough, so it can't get scratched easily, and it also has these things under, so even when you're putting it on the surface, it doesn't ruin the leather. Okay, so this bag looks small, yeah, but I feel like it can take all the essential things that a lady needs to have in her bag when she's going out, and I'm going to show you the things that I put in my own bag. Okay, alright, so guys, in this bag I have all the things that I use on a regular basis. These are all the things I take when I'm going out, so I'm just going to remove and put inside this one so you see what I'm talking about. So I have my hand cream in the bag. I have my card holder, purse in the bag as well, my hand sanitizer in the bag, tic-tac in the bag, perfume in the bag, my coin holder in there, serviette and what's this, Vaseline, lip Vaseline, all in the bag. So I have some Tom-Toms, I have cards, alcohol hand wipe, yeah, for this time because of corona, can never be too sure. They all go in the small side of the bag. My lip therapy, small side, biro, another perfume, big side, small side. Let me see, that's everything, guys. See, that one is empty. And oh, lip gloss. I didn't arrange it because, like, who has the time to start watching it? But see, that's that. It has some things here, and also there's enough space. My power bank is not here because I don't take it out as much, but there's enough space for my power bank to go in, for some other things to go in. See, I still have enough space, and you close it, and that's that. C'est fini. And you guys, there are two ways you can rock this bag. can either rock it crossed like this. Or you can rock it this way. But I prefer to wear mine cross-side. It's better for me, it's easier for me, so I don't always have to stress there and it stays there. It's the best for me. I'd also like to thank the staff, Arnold, on Bond Street. Like, he was amazing. He attended to me very professionally, but yet very friendly. It was so nice. He made sure I had everything I wanted. I saw everything I wanted. He even made videos of me. So yeah, thank you so much, Arnold. So you guys, we've come to the end of this unboxing video slash review slash what can fit inside. I really hope you enjoyed it and I wasn't talking too much. If you did, do not hesitate to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel. God bless you, and I can't wait to see you all in my next one. Bye. Hi guys, welcome. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl PJ. Yeah, you know, PJ.